Hello guys, I just picked up an important part for the truck. Got myself the missing exhaust, complete, all stainless steel, and I got a super deal on it. Guy sold it to me for $100. So that's one thing out of the way. Slowly getting at it. Going to try and install it later today. Other than that, everything else is starting to come together on it. Got a little rust repair I'm going to do there. And I believe at the bottom of both doors, this part under here. If you can see that, I don't know. Right there. I'll get those spots fixed up. And then it'll be on to doing the brakes. But this was a screaming deal. What a heavy little thing. I'll make some more video when I get it a little closer to being put in. Have a good day.